They are the only creatures on the planet that live almost entirely on bone marrow. A highly acidic stomach enables him to break down bones in less than 24 hours. But some fragments are too large to swallow. Fortunately, Lammergers have found an effective technique to break up the oversized pieces. Reaching 150 meters. Little withstands a drop from this height. Eventually, the bones are broken into smaller pieces. And he can swallow the marrow-filled fragments. The voracious vulture keeps on feeding until there's nothing left.